What's up? Magandang tanghali sa inyo mga idol. Sumalan dito yung bagong gawa natin. Ito yung tora-tora natin. So yan yung last na vlog natin na ginawan ko ng tutorial yung kanyang frame. Ngayon, syempre, ito na yung part 2 niya. Papabalatan ko na to gamit yung tela na meron ako ngayon, yung camouflage. So testing lang natin. First time ko magpapabalat gamit ang tela. Tapos ang gagamitin natin na pandikit dito, ito pakita ko sa inyo. Kakabili ko lang. Ito. Kasi hindi ako marunong magtahi masyado, kaya hindi naman sa hindi marunong, hindi ako ganun kagaling magtahi, kaya ang gagamitin ko dito, rugby. Ito yung pandikit natin. So boss stick, nabili ko lang dito sa amin ng 40 pesos. Ayan, maliit lang siya kasi isa lang naman yung papabalatan. Yung sobra dito siguro gagamitin na lang natin sa iba. Ito yung klase ng tela na gagamitin ko mga idol. Manipis siya, tapos hindi tumatagos yung hangin dito. Ayan, galing lang to sa sira kong inflatable sofa na nabasag. Ngayon, para mapakinabangan ko pa, gagamitin ko siyang pabalat ng saranggola. Ayan. So, excited na ako sa magiging outcome na itong gagawin natin na tora-tora. Para siyang, eroplano kaya jet fighter ng sundalo siguro kapag natapos niya. Na-imagine ko na yung kanyang tsura kapag natapos . So, tara, start na natin na pabalatan tong ating guryon. Okay, let's go.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. Oh,
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions, each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, 'cause I grind through the climb, I